Hey there, have you ever wondered on this? Civil engineers and tradesmen are one of the backbone of our cities. So cheers to all civil engineers and tradesmen for that. These unsung heroes are the masterminds behind the roads we drive on, the bridges we cross, and the buildings that we call home. Civil engineers, they are like the strategic game changers. They design, plan, and oversee projects, ensuring everything stands strong and safe. From skyscrapers to tunnels, they are the ones turning the blueprints into reality and more to it that meets the eye. Tradesmen are the hands-on wizards, making it all happen. Electricians, plumbers, welders, or even carpenters, you name it. They bring the designs to life with skill and precision. Have you seen a perfect weld or a flawless brickwork? That's the magic of tradesmen at work. Together, civil engineers and tradesmen create one of the backbone of our society. They build the infrastructure that keeps our cities moving and growing. You should recognize their hard work and dedication. So, next time you cross a bridge or enter a building, give a nod to these silent champions. They're not just constructing spaces, they are building our future. Stay inspired, folks. Remember, every masterpiece starts with a solid foundation. Thanks and follow for more.